What's up, everybody? It's Ashton with Cincy Business. It is Tuesday, February 20th. Take a minute just to hop on my IG stories. I haven't been on here in forever. So what's been going on? We have had some cleanup work going on. We have client work. We're finishing up all of the January books. Get on here and talk a little bit about my DIY bookkeepers. So all of you business owners out there who are basically doing everything and you think that that's worth your time, give you maybe a different perspective on assistance and or bookkeeping support. The business owner, when you're first starting out, you are doing literally everything. So you are the accountant, you are the social media marketer, you are the business owner, you are the creative director, you're the one making the product or providing the service itself. You're the CEO and you're the blah 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 whatever your business is, whatever industry you're part of, you're literally doing all of the things. And when it comes to your bookkeeping, which is one of the most foundational aspect of your business next to legal and finance, you need to have those things like A1. First things first, when you are starting a business, when you have a business, get your legal and financial stuff in order. Like, do not skimp on those things. Why? Because those things are the things that will break your business. And those are the things that have broken many business owners out there who are attempting to start their own business and they run into something and they didn't have a contract for something. And so now they are up a creek and they never got a contract. Or their bookkeeping, they inflated their income because they didn't know how to use QuickBooks, or they didn't get all of the tax benefits of their deductions because they didn't record their deductions, or they thought that QuickBooks just was a free-for-all kind of thing, or like a thing that you just plug your stuff into and set it and forget it. And it's not a crock pot. Like, QuickBooks is not a crock pot. You have to actually do something in it. You have to be in it every single month. You need to reconcile. You need to attach your receipts. You need to go through, make sure there's no duplicate charges. You need to make sure that everything is categorized correctly. You need to make sure you're not putting personal expenses mixed in with your business expenses. There's so many aspects to bookkeeping. When it comes to your cost of goods sold and your gross profit, doesn't make sense with what you're selling and what you're pricing it at. There's so many things that you as a business owner may not even know really about your accounting. It's not just categorizing and making sure everything is either in office supplies or general expenses. Your balance sheet, when it comes to your income statement, when it comes to your cash flow statement, when it comes to receipts, all of your organization. And when you have bookkeeping in place in its proper place, then I can guarantee you that the organization of your business will significantly increase. When you're not worried about your finances and you're not worried about legal and you have legitimate lawyer drafted contracts, yes, they're an investment, but when you can push off a financially and legally sound foundation, the sky's the limit. So I say all that to say this. If you would like to work with Cincy Business Services this year, I am onboarding clients for January. You can still get in. If you need your January books done, you can still get in now. Or you can wait to start in March, and then we'll start you in February and get your book service for February, and then you'll be a client of mine forever. So I would love to work with you. Definitely hit me up. I plan starting at $349 a month, and that will get you a full complete bookkeeping package. You will never have to worry about bookkeeping again. To break it down for everybody, I like to make everything as simple as possible for you. So trust me, this will not be some weird thing where you just give me money and you just get a report and don't really understand it. No, we're going to take care of you, make sure that you know exactly what's going on, make sure you have ultimate clarity, all the things. Link in bio.